All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. We're gonna be doing a couple things today. We're gonna be doing transmission, and we're gonna be doing the transfer shift case, oil drain and fill. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's pretty simple and should go pretty quick.
Gotta be getting home soon. I feel bad him taking the bus so much later than last year. No, maybe not. 2:45 you should be home.
You can tell that almost looks brown, so it's a good thing we're changing this out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let that drain out.
What?
All right, so as you can see, that's what the training fluid is looking like, and it should be red. So that was brown and nasty looking. So we'll go ahead and once I finish draining, we'll put the plug back in, and then we'll go ahead and start filling the sucker up. All right, now that that's pretty much done draining, we'll go ahead and throw the plug back in. All right, well, I cleaned my plug off, but these are also have magnets, so you'll be able to see if there's any junk on there, any metal and stuff. Let's go ahead and throw this back in. All right, so the plug is back in. Let's go ahead and start filling her up. Okay, so now that we've drained it and we got our plug back in, let's go ahead and take off the fill hole now. All right, got our plug out. All right, so what we're gonna be using to put the fluid back in, I got a little transfer pump here, and basically we're just gonna hook it up to this and then go ahead and put it in our bottle and start pumping it in until it starts weeping out that top hole, the top fill hole. Look, that came a little funked up, so I'm just gonna clip that. All right, went ahead and cut that hose into two and got rid of that ugly piece there. And that just slides in there. And then we'll slide one in the bottom here. Just like that. So now we're set up. Now we can, and we're filling it back up with ATF fluid. that's what came out. I've read that some do take gear oil, but this had transmission fluid. And all we're going to do is stick the end right down in here, and let's get under there and start pumping it in. All right, so let's go ahead and get our other bottle and we'll get that one in there. All right, now that it's starting to weep out, let's go ahead and get our plug back in. And let's go ahead and tighten that plug up. All right. All right, so we're all set there. All new fluid in there. It's been changed out. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive and then come back and inspect for any leaks. All right, so let's go ahead, get under there and take a look and see if there's any leaks. All right, no leaks. No leaks, everything looks good. And that's all set now. All right, so it's that simple. That's how easy it is to change out the fluid in your transfer shift case. So once again, hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.